Welcome to Music Theory Made Simple. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your clarinet from scratch. Normally the clarinet comes in a case similar to like this one, and it comes in 5 parts. And the 5 parts are named the bell, the lower joint, the upper joint, the barrel, and then you have the mouthpiece. So the first thing you do with your instrument is take it out of the case, one part at a time. So I tend to take the lower joint first and I'll attach the bell. Now you might find if you've got a brand new instrument that trying to push this on is really tight. So you should have what we call cork grease, and you just put a little bit of it on the cork just to help the instrument go together. You don't need to put lots on it. You can always rub it in as well, okay? And then you basically hold the clarinet here and then you twist the bell on. It should go on nice and easy. And the second part to put together is the upper joint. What most people don't realise is there's a connecting part between the two instruments. It's really important that you get right. So it's this male part here, and if you lift this finger up you'll see that it moves. You want it to be up because it's basically going to sit on top of this on the right side of the clarinet. So when you put it on, again you're twisting it, you want it to sit over like this because it will lift up and down, and this will lift it up and down too. So once you make sure that's straight, the next part is to put on your barrel, which you can twist on, and then you want your mouthpiece. Most people make the mistake of putting the mouthpiece on the wrong way. You need to put it so that the empty hole is facing you, because that's where the reed's going to attach. You have 2 other parts to your mouthpiece. One is called a ligature and the other one is a cap. And the cap and the ligature are going to hold and protect your reed. So that's the basics of how to put your clarinet together. And obviously when you take it apart, you're going to do it in reverse. So you're going to take the barrel off. Generally take the reed off first before you take the mouthpiece off, where you find it all just comes to bits. Take the upper joint away from the lower joint. Again, remembering to watch out for that middle connector. And then you will take the barrel off and it goes back in the case. It will only go one way in your case, so make sure that you're lining up your keywork into the right place. If you put it in the wrong way, your case won't close. And that's a simple explanation of how to put your clarinet together. For more tips on how to set up your clarinet and how to begin to make a sound on your instrument, follow the channel and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.